Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and getting the necessary apps. Make sure your iPhone is updated and you're signed into your Apple ID. This prevents permission and download errors. Next, download both YouTube and the YouTube Studio app from the App Store. You need the Studio app to manage analytics and uploads. Once installed, open each app and grant camera, microphone, and photo access so you can record or select footage. Also enable notifications so important Studio alerts reach you promptly. Now sign into YouTube Studio with the Google account linked to your channel. Make sure the channel is verified if you need features like custom thumbnails. Once signed in, navigate the dashboard to see recent activity, then tap Content to manage uploads and analytics for performance metrics. To upload or edit a video, tap the plus or the video, choose camera or photo library, then add title, description, thumbnails, tags, and set visibility or schedule. This helps your content reach the right viewers. Finish by publishing or scheduling the video, and then monitor performance in analytics to see views, watch time, and audience retention. Make sure two-step verification is enabled on your Google account to protect your channel. This prevents unauthorized access when you manage Studio from a phone. If the app misbehaves, won't upload, shows stale data, or crashes, force close it, check for updates, and if needed, reinstall. One key troubleshooting tip: sign out and back in to refresh permissions and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.